Hey, welcome back to the channel. Just want to do a quick little update video of what's gonna start happening here. Let's see. Last weekend, Saturday, we went to Hollyoaks, and that's officially my last off-road trip here for about a month. So, and this is why. So, as you all have know, or who has been following me knows, that the truck's been finished for a minute. Been doing a lot of last minute changes or modifications or additions, and body stuff is done. I mean, everything's, as far as modifying the body, I'm done. So that means it's time to start getting the body prepped for paint, which I can't wait for. So I am in the barn. Shocks are off because the shocks are actually going out to Accutuneofforad in California. I'm going to have all four revalved. They're working amazing off-road. It's just that the current valving in all four shocks, I'm still running the adjusters all the way firm. So basically Accutune's going to take whatever valving's in the front and then add whatever the valving is on max on that dial. That'll then be my soft baseline, and then I'll have my 25 or 32 clicks to firm up from there. So those are going out here hopefully tomorrow. Today is Tuesday the 13th, I think. So I'm gonna put the roller tires on. Truck will just be sitting on the bump stops on roller tires. That'll keep the truck down nice and low to prep the body and paint. Sliders, rub rails, bumpers, winch, tire carrier, that's all coming off. And then obviously headlights, taillights, the grill, door moldings, wipers, lights, everything's coming off the body. That way we can start prepping it. My door that I damaged last February is coming off. I got 4 replacement doors on hand. So I got a new door to go on, rust-free, damage-free. And I don't know, I'm still kind of unsure about if I still want to name it. My Bronco 2 I called Sarge. For the longest time I was like, I'll just call this Sarge 2.0. It's going to be Desert Tan, which I'm very excited about. The tan is going to make this truck just, it's going to pop so hard being tan with all the black accents and bumpers. It's going to look awesome. And then I'm going to have, what is it, the ABC, the D pillar on the hatch. It's going to be body colored. So that's going to look slick. So that's the update, what's going on here. Shock's being revalved, body's starting to be disassembled, paint's going to be prepped. I'm also going to revisit my rear shock tower. It works great, but it's kind of takes up too much room. So basically I'm going to do something similar. I'm going to hover about a ½ inch off the ground, off the floorboard. It's going to be a bolt-in style like I did my cross members. And it'll have a nice triangular gusset, and it's gonna be super sturdy. And then I'll have all this top space. I meant to take a video a few weeks ago, but I have a nice 12 volt electric refrigerator slash freezer. So with this down all the way, I'm gonna make a nice plate here in the center. I'll have my fridge cooler in the truck finally. Oh yeah, I didn't do that video yet either. My Harbor Freight converted off-road jack is now mounted, and I will touch base on that in another little short video. So, all right, that is the update. That's what's going on. It's been a long time coming. I cannot wait for the truck to be tan. Tan is kind of like my signature, I think, I feel. So when that thing's tan, it's gonna pop. All the black stuff's gonna really pop, and then I'm gonna maintain that reed knuckle orange outlined in black on the tan. I think it's gonna look slick. So other than that, there's not much else I'm going to be doing. I can finally start putting the interior together after it's painted, and finally have a little bit more comfort. So, all right, I'll catch you on the next video. I got a few more updates coming, and I will do a couple shorts and stuff as we go. But that's what's popping here at the barn. So like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.